All right, Paul.
Yeah?
What we got going on today?
Hangar number 2, coming down to Tennessee, so that we have the twin towers out at Lake Creek.
Yeah, buddy. 12-foot walls.
And I'm just wrestling this tool belt at the wall.
We got the scissor lift, the Lowell's on the way. Morgan's already taking sheets off.
Yeah, Morgan's the first one working.
40-foot gooseneck. Beautiful Taylor craft. Getting to work.
Alright, so here we are. I'm going to do a little update video. We're a couple hours in. Doesn't look like a lot when you look at it, but almost all the metal's unscrewed but the final screws. So we're about to take all the sheeting off. The roof on this side's already off. The door, everything but just the tops of the screws. And then here, we'll go over here. I'm going to show you the back. We've got the roof on the back off. And then we have all of our stacks already going out. So from doing this once before, we've realized that if you stack the metal, how it's going to go back on, it's a lot easier. Obviously, with not taking a metal building apart and then putting it back together, we learned that on the last one. So each of these stacks are done neatly. You can see the double bubble, the back wall, the roof. This whole back section is about to come out. So, and then Pop just showed up. So we got the boss here now. And we got Morgan taking the door apart, the garage door. And we're about to take this wall down. We're getting her done. What do you guys think?
Hey, come along.
We'll see y'all.
All right, guys, we got the door metal off here, the wall metal off, metal all the way around. We're about to take that wall metal off. We got the roof on both sides off now, and the roof is already loaded. So all we got to do is get this wall metal on the trailer and or on the lull, and then put it on the trailer, and then the goal is to get that door down before the sun goes down. Day 2. Gotta get all this ceiling metal off. And we're about to take the door down.
So here we are, day 3, getting the trailer loaded up. This is the first of the web trusses. And we have one more middle one, and then the back wall, and then the uprights. These pieces go quick, the walls come down easy. What another beautiful day here in Tennessee. Just a good day. We had a really long day yesterday. We're ahead of schedule. If I had to bet, we'll probably be done a little shortly after lunch. And then we get to strapping, which takes a couple hours. We've already started some strapping on the doors and whatnot. And then here we got Morgan over here just making faces. He doesn't do anything but sit in that lull, but not even breaking a sweat. So here we are. Once again, start off by saying how beautiful of a day it is. God bless America. Taking the, what I would call the anti-drag wires, but just the trambling wires for the building on both sides now. So we got the front columns, the main front truss, this truss that went across here, and now we're going to take these tension cables or wires out, and then the uprights. Danny's finishing the roof lumber, and then we'll get the rest of the red iron down. But we're killing it. We are we're loading this thing up. We'll be ready to leave probably about end of day today, but good news is we got the Airbnb till tomorrow morning, so instead of having to drive through the night, we'll wake up and hit the road tomorrow. What do you think?
Can't wait to put it back up.
Yeah, hangar number 2, baby. Hustle hard.
Where'd the hanger go? And that's a wrap. Hanger is loaded up on the trailer. Big trailer, and then we're just finishing up all the lumber and metal on that trailer. So we are complete, finishing up some straps, and we'll be on the way home to Lake Ridge.